always eating whenever we try when we do this. Morning, guys.
Yeah, good morning. Day 2 in Porto.
So after walking to it yesterday, we kind of got to know our way around Porto a little bit more. So we're hoping today to go revisit where we went yesterday and explore those areas a little bit more.
And then we're going to go down to the waterfront where we were last night and spend a bit of time down there. We're thinking we're going to go head across to the other side of the river, which is actually not Porto, and we didn't realise that. So that's where all the port sellers are. So we're going to go do a couple of port tastings, and apparently the sunset's really nice over there. Don't think we're going to see the sun today. We're not really in a hurry, and we're not really fast. We're enjoying our time here so far.
Yeah, and we're not experts on cities either. We're just kind of, the best way to discover them is just to walk around and find. So
Alright.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Your trace on my mind. It's clear, no mistaking.
What'd you get?
Chocolate, of course. Chocolate milkshake.
Constantly.
So that wall with the blue tiles, that's actually 2 churches next to each other, which in the Catholics, apparently churches can't be built right next to each other. So the reason there is 2 next to each other is one of the priests didn't get along with the other priests in one of the churches. So way back in the day, he decided he'd build his own church right next door.
But to get away with the rule of not having a church next to another church, they built a house right in the middle of it. And when you have a look at this house, you will see that it looks a little bit like Sirius Black's house in Harry Potter, which is one of the things that we learnt yesterday.
That's where J.K. Rowling may have got her inspiration from. Not confirmed, but the 2 walls of the church couldn't be the same, so they had to build a house right in the center of it, and it's like a tiny, narrow little house. That right there is a house. Church 1, Church 2, house. This water fountain behind us is also potentially taken some inspiration for maybe Gryffindor or something like that. You see the statues in one of the movies. It's been said that may potentially be some inspiration. Who knows?
You can see it though, like there's these things that the tour guide talked about, like the house, the statues, there's the library or the bookshop just down there, and then the students, they wear all this like black uniform. You can see that it could be possibly inspiration for Harry Potter. Like it definitely, you can sense that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So she was what? She was an English teacher here for a few years.
Yeah, 22 months. I think it was.
22 months, and in that time she found a partner and got married and had kids.
Had a kid,
yeah.
And then divorced him and left.
I'll be the first one to admit I don't particularly enjoy travelling cities as much as I do the outdoors and the mountains and the countryside, but
I think because we're not in a rush, we're kind of just going at a slow pace. It's actually quite enjoyable.
yeah.
It's a different experience to any of our other weekend trips that we've had away.
Yeah, looking around the city now on this trip, at least you feel a little bit more relaxed.
What do you think?
Cool to see where cameras started, how big they used to be.
And how little they can be.
Oh yeah, little. Wow.
Look at the little covers and the film.
Why do they need doors that big? Well, that was interesting. So it was either the old jail or old courthouse, something like that. Definitely a jail at some point. Now he's a
Camera
museum, yeah. So over the river here is actually not Porto, that's Gaia. The river divides 2 different cities. Across there you see all the different port manufacturers or sellers, yeah, port sellers. So they've got different names like Callum and Sandeman. So I think that's where we're going to go do our port tastings. could it be?
You cannot come to Porto and not have a port. You gotta get Nate drunk on port.
Oh, sipping port, yeah, that's
The crystal walls come down. Waterfall of sensation. Love is free, coming undone. Free, coming without a warning.
We're actually gonna taste the wine.
5 different ports.
5 different ports and cheeses too, which would be nice. So I'm sure Matt and Joe's can.
I'm not going to pretend like I'm excited to try this, but I'm willing to give it a go. I'm not big on wine at all, but it's interesting. I might as well do it while we're here.
It says €20, 5 wines and cheeses, and we can share that, so that's pretty good.
Not just for fun, real, coming without a warning.
This cheese looks really good.
This one smells good.
You know that port wine is very sweet.
Sweet?
Yeah.
Your eyes are like telling a different
I'm
story.
like, just trying to figure it out. It's very nice. It's nice. You like the girl drink, don't you?
Maybe I'm just getting used to it, so that one just went down. I didn't even have cheese actually. Obviously they get darker in colour, and each cheese we have with each port. These biscuits are to clear the palate.
Palate.
Cleanse the palate in between. Surprisingly, they weren't as bad as I thought. So this is quite a lot of port to drink. I thought we'd be getting like shot glass sizes of port.
But it's a lot more than that, and it's 19%.
Probably won't drink it all if I'm honest. We'll just pick up the cheese and biscuits and have a bit of each. When we went to go drink each wine, she gave us an explanation of why it is a certain colour and how long it's been in the barrel for and how long it will last when it's been opened. Very informative and gave us a bit of rundown of how it's been made, which is good because I had no idea.
Very interesting, and
I'm glad I tried it.
at
Yeah.
least now, like if someone was to offer us some port, we would know what it was going to taste like.
Now to find a beer to wash down the port. Kat's thinking of having wok, Chinese,
It's something Asian.
and we're in Porto.
Yeah.
But it did look good. We came past it last night. That's where we're heading. It's right near the hostel too, so this is inside the Porto train station. Obviously you see this all around Porto.
It's a big story the whole way around.
Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching and
We'll see you tomorrow. New destination tomorrow.
yeah, we're heading south.
See you tomorrow, guys.
Bye.
Bye.